Students, so let us move towards the solution part. So I believe you all know that the table part. So let us, since marine insurance, whether it is the last single or double, so what we will do, we'll have two columns, amount column. So let us have two amount columns and one schedule number column, and we'll have one heading column and one main heading. Okay. So this is going to be a schedule and this is going to be a rupees. Okay, so let us take up this. So revenue account for safety Nishita, right? Revenue account for Nishita, Nishita, Nishita Insurance Company Limited as on 31st 3 2009. So particulars schedule number amount rupees. Okay, so schedule number amount rupees. So we are ready with the table for the solution. Okay, so in the first main we always have first heading, that is income. That is always income. So in income we have always premium earned, schedule number 1. Under that premium, so how much premium? Second item, 3 lakh rupees. Premium 3 lakh rupees. Okay, less reinsurance premium paid. Less reinsurance premium paid. So how much less reinsurance premium paid? 30,000. So deduct it and put it to outer column. So that is 3 lakh minus 30,000. So we are going to get 2,70,000. Why I am writing this? Because this is going to be net premium. We consider that as a net premium. Next, add. We'll do that. We'll deduct first. Okay. So less premium outstanding. Premium. How much? Check out 3,000 rupees. The last item. Premium outstanding on 1/4/2008, that is opening, so that we are going to deduct. So that is how much? 3,000 rupees. 3,000. Okay, so deduct that. So how much you got? 2,67,000 rupees. 2,67,000 rupees. Okay, now add provisions for unexpired risk. So how much? 95,000 rupees. Provision for unexpired risk, 95,000 rupees. Okay, so then add additional reserves immediately after that item only is given. Add additional reserves. So how much additional reserves has been given in the problem? Additional reserve in the problem he has given 60,000 rupees. That is 60,000 rupees. Now total it and put it to outer column. That is 1,55,000 rupees. 1,55,000 rupees. Okay, so now add this and check out how much you are going to get. So that is 2,67,000 plus 1,55,000. So that comes to 4,22,000 rupees. 4,22,000 rupees. Next, less provision for unexpired risk closing. Less provisions for unexpired risk. So we have to write the closing. Less provision for unexpired risk. Unexpired risk. That is how much closing value we have to see. Closing always we should calculate on the net premium. So I have already told you in my previous classes also. So net premium is 2,70,000. If it is a fire insurance, 50% of it is a standard, and marine insurance is 100%. So 100% in the sense, so I have to take entire 2,70,000 rupees. 2,70,000. So then what we have to add? Additional reserves. So that is less additional reserves to it. Additional reserve, how much he has given in the opening, the same thing we have to copy to the closing. So that is 60,000 rupees. Then interest and dividend is also there. So let me take that also. Interest and dividends. Interest and dividends. So how much interest and dividends? 25,000 rupees. 25,000 rupees. Then income on under that only. Check in the problem under interest and dividends. There is one more item, income tax on interest and dividend. Income tax on interest and dividends. So how much? That is 1,300. So now total it and put it to outer column. So that is 2,70,000 plus 60,000 plus 25,000 plus 1,300. That is 3,56,300. How much? 3,56,300. So now deduct. So deduct entire amount, that is 4,22,000. 4,22,000 minus 3,56,300. So you are going to get 65,700. How much? 65,700. Okay, so this is called total A. That is nothing but income. Total A is nothing but income. Okay, so I'm done with this total income part. So next I'm moving to the second main. So second main we are going to focus on what? Expenditure. Correct. So we focus on expenditure. So let us write expenditure. So expenditure, under that schedule number 2 comes for claims. So write claims and write schedule number 2. So under claims, write down claims paid. Claims paid. So how much claims paid they have given in the problem? The first item, I believe. So that is first item 1,20,000 rupees. Correct. So take down 1,20,000 rupees is the claims paid. Add outstanding claims. Add outstanding claims. So that is closing balance. So how much? 7,500. Outstanding claims with 31st date. Outstanding claims with 31st date, that is 7,500. Then less outstanding claims opening. Less outstanding claims opening. Outstanding claims opening, that is 3,000 rupees. So 3,000 in bracket. I am mentioning that in the bracket. Okay. So then reinsurance recovery is there. So that also you should deduct. Less reinsurance recoveries. Reinsurance recovery. How much in the problem he has given? Reinsurance recovery 8,000. So 8,000, that has to be deducted. So I am writing it in a bracket. Okay. which has to be deducted. So now take the calculator and calculate 1,20,000 plus 7,500 minus 3,000 minus 8,000. So how much you got? 1,16,500. How much? 1,16,500. 1,16,500. Okay. So this is the total of schedule number 2. So this is going to be the total of schedule number 2. So I am highlighting and keep it. So next I am going with schedule number 3. So that is commission. Commission. Schedule number 3. So under that, commission on reinsurance accepted. Commission on reinsurance accepted. Accepted. How much he has given? 800. Less commission on reinsurance ceded. Reinsurance ceded. So how much he has given? 1,600. Since it is greater, so I am writing it in a bracket. So outer column you have to get minus 800. So 800 in bracket I am mentioning. So this is going to be the total of schedule number 3. This is going to be the total of schedule 3. So next total schedule 4 we have to do, that is operating expenses. So operating expenses. Schedule number 4. Operating expenses is schedule number 4. So let us look into it. So first one we do have management expenses. Management expenses. So how much management expenses we have? 70,000 rupees. So 70,000 is the management expenses. Then we have one more expenses, that is legal expenses. So how much legal expenses? 2,500. 2,500. So total it. So you are going to get 72,500. So this is going to be the total of schedule number 4. This is going to be the total of schedule number 4. So next is total B. Total B, that is going to be 2 plus 3 plus 4. Check out how much 2 plus 3 plus 4. That is 1,16,500. 1,16,500 plus minus 800 plus 72,500. That comes to 1,88,200. 1,88,200. So this is going to be total expenditure. Total expenditure. So now we have to find total profit or loss. So total profit or loss. So that is profit or loss you have to identify. So total income in the problem 65,700. Total expenditure 1,88,200. So if you deduct, how much you are going to get? 65,700 minus 1,88,200. So the loss is going to be 1,22,500. So this is a loss. Okay. So let us make a note of on that. Therefore, marine insurance is under loss of rupees 1,22,500. 1,22,500. So we are done with this solution. So we'll come back with one more problem very soon. Till then, take care. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family members. Stay home. Stay safe. Don't give a option or a chance to think negatively, and don't allow your family members to think negatively. So it is a path of life. So we have to go through with that. So everything will get into normal very soon. So be courageous. So inspire your house people also, so that who are all in your home, so let them also have a positive vibes, so create positivity in and around yourself. Okay, so take care, bye bye.